What to write about? This is a perennial question among writers and wannabes. Many of us dream of writing a book. Why not? What greater story can one write about than one's own? Each day brings a new beginning, a new page in the book of life. What can you write about? Someone said everyone has a story. How true. Each day that pass by is a page in your book of life where to start? From the very depths of your soul, from your heart, what stirs you? What excites you? What challenges you? What frustrates you? What makes you happy? Are you having the so-called writer's block? All blocks can be readily removed, dealt with, and best of all, replaced with determination. Just sit down and start writing. Think of a word, write about that word and keep writing. Simplistic? Not really. A word can get your fingers flying on the keyboard, or if you believe in paper and pen, go ahead and let your thoughts flow out from the tip of your pen to that precious paper. Develop the habit of writing every day, yes, every day. Write something and you'd be amazed at the database of ideas stored in your brain waiting to be discovered. You do not have to write about a new idea, a new concept, a new theory. Think of a fresh approach, a different angle, a different perspective. Think of this: you go on a nature hike with 4 of your friends. You take the same route, see the same scenery, under the same canopy of foliage and sky, and step on the same terrain, hike under the same weather conditions. After the hike, surely there will be 5 different versions of the experience or adventure. You go home and describe the day's hike to family and friends. Each one will have different picture of the scenery, of the hikers and their experience. If this day was captured and frozen in time with your camera, each pair of eyes that looks at the picture will have different perspective of each picture. Each one will see different features that attracts their attention. Life within you, life around you, people in your world, your hobbies, your dreams, your adventures. The list goes on. There is always an angle waiting to be discovered, an idea eager to be interpreted, to be written and shared with the world. So, what's holding you back? What is important is to just sit down and start writing. Tap into that deep reserve of knowledge that lies deep within. Swim in the river of experience, enjoy the swim as you get in deeper, your strokes stronger and more confident. Don't put it off for another day. Surprise yourself. The world awaits to hear from you.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.